What's going on, guys? My name is Naz and welcome to the Spooling Up channel. Today I'm going to be doing another really simple video on the Bmw 330Ci. What I'm going to be doing is installing LED number plate light bulbs. It's a really easy job. It literally takes a couple of minutes, and I've managed to find myself some error-free light bulbs, hoping it looks really good. It's just a really simple how-to guide as well with this car, and of course before and after shots to show you guys what it will look like if it's something you're thinking of doing. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here we go, guys. Got both the Golf and the BMW sitting here with the lights on, so I can do a bit of a comparison of how the number plates look before and after. Obviously before, now they've just got standard bulbs fitted in them, and after they're gonna have the LED number plate lights, so hoping it's going to make a nice little difference. I think it gives the car a bit of an uplift. So the BM's just going to get number plate lights, LED ones fitted in. So it's pretty simple with the BMW. All you want to do is get into the light, flick it off from the right to the left, and the cover should come off, and again that side, and then literally just want to pull the bulb out and replace it with a new one. Right, guys, so the next thing you want to do is pop these new ones in. Make sure they're facing down towards the number plate, of course. Then pop the covers back on. It's pretty simple, it's just a complete reversal. Then make sure you've got no errors, and then see what they look like at night time. We go now, it's now night time. Just going to flick the side lights on the BM, have a look at the rear, see what the lights are saying. Yes, much better. See, it's quite bright and clear, so you're getting a white light instead of that usual yellow light that you get, so it looks a lot better. It just gives the car a bit of an uplift, you know. A lot of the newer cars are coming out with these bright number plate lights, so yeah, really happy with it actually. You can see just how bright they are and how clean the light is that comes from them. So yeah, pretty simple, easy and cheap way to give your car a little bit of an uplift. Right, guys, so now that's done, that's the before video, the how-to video and the after video on the number plate lights for the BMW. Really happy with the results. I think it looks great. Just a simple uplift. Some of these cars, they've got dull yellow light bulbs, and when I pulled out the bulbs of this BMW, they were actually black on the outside, so it just shows you how it's sort of blocking the light. So to have that clear white light coming through now just looks so much better. Makes the car look a lot cleaner as well, because with those dim bulbs it sort of gives it a dirty look. Sort of seen the same thing when I've looked at the front lights of this BMW. When they're on at night time, they do look quite dirty because they're quite dull. So thinking to go for some sort of headlight upgrade with this as well, but we'll see. Anyway, for now, thank you for watching the video on the Spooling Up channel. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Insta. The link's going to be at the end. So yeah, thank you very much.